Hi friends, welcome to Maxme Education online class. Today our topic statistics in this representation of data we have three types. Most of the times we are using three types. One is pictograph, second one is bar graph, third one is pie chart. So we are go through step by step. First pictograph, bar graph and pie chart. Okay. So first problem, the number of wristwatches manufactured by a factory in a week as are follows. Represent the data using pictograph. Choose a suitable scale. Actual pictograph means we have to represent the data in pictures that means images. Okay. So the company first Monday the manufactured watches is 300. Tuesday 350, Wednesday 250, Thursday 400, Friday 300, Saturday 275 best watches. So we are using suitable scale and pictograph. Okay. Now, so using pictograph. Picture just I am taking a wristwatch symbol. So one wristwatch symbol is equal to scale is 100. One wristwatch I am taking 100. So Monday, so the company manufactured 300 watches. That means 3 wristwatches symbol, each 100. So one first 100, 100, 100 total 300 wristwatches Monday. Tuesday 350. So first I am taking 3 wristwatches. Then after I am taking half of the symbol. That means it is a, for your understanding I am taking another one, another color. So it is a 50. So total 350. So we are representing data in pictograph. That's why I am taking. Next Wednesday. Wednesday is 250 only. That means 2 wristwatch complete wristwatch symbol and another one is half of that is equal to 250. Thursday 400. That is direct I am taking 4 wristwatches symbol. Friday only 300. That means I am taking 3 wristwatches symbols. Each symbol 100. That's 300. Next Saturday 275. So first I am taking 100 plus 100, 200. Next I am taking 275. 75 means I am taking a watch that is not complete and not half. More than half and less than 1. So I am taking 75. That is the symbolically we are representing the data by. So another one problem on pictograph. So the following pictograph shows the number of students have cycles in 5 classes of a school. In a school, there is a 5 classes. So from 6th to 10th, so the students have a different of bicycles. So in this, not mentioned any scale. That's why we are read one figure only, one number. That means 6th class have 5 cycles. 7th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So similarly, 8th, 9th, 10th, total have a different of bicycles. So in this they are asking some questions. First question, which class students have maximum number of cycles? Observe. So 9th class students have a maximum number of cycles. Next second question is asked, which class students have minimum number of cycles? That is only 6th class. In picture we clearly observe. Okay, this is a problem on pictograph. Okay. Next third problem. The lifespan of some animals is given below as follows. So lifespan of some animal is given. First one, bear 40 years, bull 28 years, camel 50 years, dog 22, cat 25, dog 45, goat 15, horse 10, cow 22, elephant 70 years. Draw a bar graph to represent the data. So bar graphs are vertically and horizontally. Here we are using vertically. Next we are going for the horizontally. Okay. Using this data, I am going to draw a bar graph. Observe this bar graph. Bar graph for an animal's lifespan. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 years. Actually, we are representing the data in graphical papers. So it is not available. That's why for understanding 1 centimeter I am taking 10 years. So in one side I am taking years, another side is animals. So animal's lifespan. So bear lifespan is 40 years. Observe here 10, 20, 30 and 40. 40 years closed. Next bull 28 years. 28 years means above 20 and below 30. It is between 20 to 30 and nearer to 30. That is lifespan of bull. Next, camel. Camel observe up to 50. This is clearly. Next, dog. Dog 22. 22 means above 20. That is nearer to above 20. Below 30 but nearer to 20. That is the lifespan of dog. Next, cat. Cat is 25. That is between 25 to 20 to 30. Exactly, we are getting a 25. Next, donkey. Donkey is 45. Observe clearly, it is more than 40, less than 50, between 40 to 50. Next, goat 15. Similarly, horse 10, cow 22, elephant is 70 years. Okay? Next. This is the lifespan of animals by using bar graph. Okay? If instead you can draw in graph paper also, you can easily solve it. Okay. Next, fourth problem. The following table shows the monthly expenditure of Lakshman family and various items. Conduct a horizontally bar graph represent to the above data. Is given one data. So using the data direct I draw a horizontally bar graph. Okay. How it is? Observe. Now I draw a horizontally bar graph. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1000 rupees here. So I am taking 1000 rupees. So Lakshmana house rent is 3000 rupees. Observe here, I am taking horizontally. So 1000, 2000, exactly 2000, 3000 house rent is closed. Next, food is expenditure is 3400. So next, education 800. So 800 is below 1000 only. So it between 0 to 1000, nearer to 1000. Electricity around 400. Transport 600. Miscellaneous remaining. Okay, miscellaneous is 1200. This is the horizontally. So bar graph. Okay, this is a Lakshman expenditure. Next, draw a pie chart for the following data. So items of expenditure, amount spent by rupees. So is given one expenditure and amount in rupees. We are using this data. We are draw a pie chart. Food expenditure 3750, health 1875, cloth also 1875, education 1200, saving 7500. So pie chart means we are taking complete circle. A complete circle have a 360 degrees. So we are dividing these 360s, defining sectors. Okay. So first total rupees 6200. So total angle 360. So these 360s is equal to the total rupees 16,200. So but food is only 3750. So we are changing the 3750 is exactly which angle is suitable for the pie chart. So 3750 by 16,200 into 360. You are getting 83.33. Next, same health also. 1875 by 16,200 into 360. You are getting 41.66. Next, clothing. Clothing also same, you are getting same expenditure 41.66. Education. Education 1200 by 16,200 into 360. You are getting 26.66. Saving also 7,500 by 16,200 and 360. You are getting 166. So using these angles, we are draw a pie chart. Pie chart means you are using protractor. Okay, there is a total complete 360 angles. These 360 angles we are dividing requirement which angles we are using. Okay, next pie chart. Pie chart, food expenditure is 3760. It is a clockwise started. So observe clearly color. So using protractor you can easily draw. So health 1875. Cloth also 1875. Angles is already we got angles. Using that angles I draw a circle. Education 1200. Saving 7500. So using protractor we can draw this. Next, again one problem for pie chart. So see, the result declared by a school was under exhibit the below data by a pie chart. So table is given. So passed first division 25%, and passed second division 45 percentage, passed third division 20 percentage, and failed 10 percentage. So using this data we have to make a pie chart. So total 100 percentage, total angle is 360 degrees. So first division is equal to 25 into 360 by 100, that is equal to 90 degrees. Actually we are dividing 360 degrees as per our convenient. So we are sectors only. So second division 45 into 360 by 100, that is equal to 162 degrees. Next third division 20 into 360 by 100, that is equal to 72 degrees. Next failed 10 into 360 by 100, that is equal to 36 degrees. Using this data we have to draw a pie chart. So I am using the above data, draw a pie chart. Pie chart first division 25%. Observe is a clockwise. So next second is 45 degree. Next 45 percentage, that is equal to more, getting more sector. Third division in 25%, 20 percentage, and fail is 10 percentage. Okay, this is a pie chart. So we are representing data by around maximum 3 only, that is a bar graph, pictograph and a pie chart. Okay, thank you students, thank you for watching.